Channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Makesi 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by friend my brother. Bakhopoze libitso ke mang o tswa fa?
Nicholas Cage from Jamestown.
Nicholas Cage game we bone jwang?
Before I can go further, Karma is a beach. It always knows its address.
Karma is what?
It's a beach.
It knows
it's a beach. Its address.
Oh,
yes.
Ke Karma for Makesi.
Yes, for Magezi.
Yeah.
Ntho ba rentse yona last ka cup brawaga. But today, just because karma is real,
Yes.
or pay revenge, and it's more hating because when I go hlati,
Ne shapa bone.
ne shapa bona. And then the other thing ke batla ba go hlati, I'm from Limpopo, ne?
Yeah.
And there's a team from Limpopo Magezi. So ntho ke batlang or e hlating ga yona. They have joined those two teams tse di shumisha muthi too much.
That means
Because ke join net team tse two just so to shumisha muthi too much.
England.
Magezi. Okay, not Pirates and Chiefs.
Pirates and
Magezi di join the go shumisha muthi. They didn't use their
the
Chiefs, yes.
Pirates and
No bona muthi a o sa bereka, a o sa spana too much. Ba reka di referee Pirates.
Oh.
Yeah. So now the reason why Magezi, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to my brother. I'm Muti. You are using Muti. You are using Muti. Everyone knows that. And then now because you see your Muti is failing you are buying the match officials. Hence I was saying Magezi didn't use their God given talent. They used Muti against us. So, Kasperi bar sarsa mutomuso no we have our Cardozo. Muti o khono kena ko yena. Magezi a ke a fosha di sarsa ona ipala hence re khonno go overcome the deficit and then we won the game.
Yes. Yeah, di manogana ntho ya Muti.
Ayikho lento le
Bra Bagania from way back. Ishumisha Muti. If you can see, they were playing against Simba. They have made cycle Benny some things. They have to go on that group to disperse them from using those Muti. He is aware of it. Or maybe he started supporting Pirates recently from 2000. Yeah, he's new to this game.
Bheka ngifuna ukubuza ke
Yes.
hali rapela mole akere le re shumisa Muti
Rena ga rapela.
Yeah.
Vumbanga ba rapela.
Yeah.
Vumbanga rapela. Let me tell you, my brother. Let me tell you.
sheba
Let me tell you, the only team that is not using Muti in South Africa is Sundowns. We pray. Hence you can see us chanting Boko on the stands whenever we win or lose. Mention some of
Exactly.
there's no star. No. Get the ball. Get speculations. They were just speculating. Because you know what but cleaner go stadium whatsoever. Maybe motu give mention so so because baba baganea
uyisakai akalayithi impepho ngazodlala akalayithi lezinto zenu ngazodlala ngathi lo bayazi
we believe in God. It's the only team that prays before we can start playing. Sundowns harapela mara as for Pirates and Chiefs they believe in Muti. So Chiefs Muti wana sa span wana direction. Pirates okay, they can't be themselves using Muti only. They opt to use match officials. Nobody Muti bane back up match officials. Hence why strong nyana so.
ayikho lento ayikhulumayo ayikho lento ayikhulumayo bakhuluma ihlathi
One of emotional because you know very well. And if you can see most I'm not being violent or give disrespect anyhow. Most of the parents about people are sangoma. Mara Sundowns who want church goers, you can see they're always clean, dress nice. Mara
kakaki nama FG lisikadlala karuna
No pendula is he right?
basebenzisa umuthi kokugcina laba abangazodlala
Sundowns don't use Muti baba.
ningazodlala
Tell me why usho
Bheka
kanjani.
mfethu.
Tell me why usho kanjani.
bheka bayazi nabo ne
Angazi.
bheka ithi ungichazele ne
Yeah.
bengisabatshela ngoshalulile kusasekuncane lokho uyangithola
Yes.
lento abayenza abayazi ukuthi mabengena ku dressing room kunenyoka yabo lapha
there's a snake.
Kunento yabo abayibekile.
Ivari indaba yenyoka.
Ikhona thatha lento engenabungozi. Thatha lento man. Hawu, thatha lento.
No itengo down. Nana ke ntwa strata.
But nobody
Engenabungozi.
to be precise, we don't have that thing. Rena ke ubutse siwo ka we believe go
Wena wazela phi
Rena
indaba
Masandawa.
zakho? Wazela phi indaba zakwami wena ukuthi
Hence, I wanna green. It signifies eternity, everlasting life. But I'm not our regulator says something. So these things belongs to darkness. And if I'm red, parents.
Wena ungenaphi?
She was lastly, I'm very happy for my team because
Ungenaphi?
Billy. Without Muti, no, listen.
If ralo ya kannete ne ya re spanel o kena kae mo
No, I spanel hence no leading le jerry le reka re no because I spanel
se reka di re
all la di boya le
ka reka refri jwang o spanisa mo
le na le ntwe
a ke re tshwanetse re spanela jwang
ba re mthakola ba
Abongile Tom.
yeah
That means bampatala vele abongile Tom.
bampatala o phero ya pakania wa tseba
Hafu abongile.
ayikho lento abayikhulumayo ayikho nje chest pains mfethu they are feeling the pressure because badlala nonsense football nonsense what was that
Yeah?
they are feeling the pain bheka mfethu I'm telling you ne even today live they must record this the only coach that is going to reshuffle cabinet they are still waiting for him
Who?
Rivero and they must mark this ne
Yes.
that one he must pack his bag and prepare himself
Cardoso.
never
Bega.
Yeah.
Bega.
Yeah.
They are playing nonsense football. They are winning, ne?
Yes.
But it's not
What is
convincing.
nonsense football?
Beg, it's nonsense.
Can you
that thing.
explain the
You
word
can't
nonsense
even,
football?
Bega, you can't even complete 5
Even the-
passes.
Sundowns.
Sundowns,
Yeah.
can't even
Go
complete
check
4.
the stats now.
Bega.
Go check the stats
The
now.
stats.
Were we watching the same
Yeah,
game?
we were watching
Yeah.
the same game. Ne? Bega, Sibo. The Sundowns esiyaziyo yaka Rulani
Yes.
is not the same.
The thing,
Bega,
the thing, let me tell
wababisa
you.
bonkuno.
No,
Their mood,
no.
the thing that is furious, their mood is not working on Cardoso, they're working on Rulani. Hence they were beating us now and then. Remember, ka MTN final goes my bidder. But ropile ka muthu wa bona wa berekela China a save the penalty say 4.
Yes.
So no on Cardoso,
Yes.
we're gonna beat them ka first leg, ka second leg league. Mark my words. And then going to
Are downside completely 5 touches.
there's no such.
Uskakwa relax ane ke tla ufa opportunity ya uri explain
Okay,
Bhekani isimple lento lena ne
Yes.
siyayazi Sundowns ukuthi 1000 passes ne magic football ne bayalibamba ibhola benza into kibafana ba style yabona le hayi mfana kibafana ba
Papa, we have come
bheka
Take this as change.
kibona abasali
new philosophy.
ba step kibona abasali ba step but today kibona abasali ba step
It's happened because
Sheba. It's simple, ne? It's simple. The presence of Rowan Williams.
My brother.
No.
Okay.
Listen.
More looking since the arrival of our new coach, Lusike Mujige.
Absolutely.
So why can batlang? Good football doesn't win trophies. That's what we wanted all along. History remember the coach that win the trophies, not good football only. We don't want 1,000 passes. We want the results. That's it. And then.
Okay.
Yes.
You can say whatever you want to say, ne? Just because you won. Ne? And that one.
I'm also winning.
No. To be honest, ne? Makezi, ipalate, ne? In the last dying minutes. Ne say controller game I know re-win they are defending but if that boy Makubu if he first half na converted those chances we would be talking a different story. It would have been an equalizer. So Sundowns, it doesn't mean how win you won in a good convincing manner. Even the supporters Sabona, are you happy with this nonsense football they are playing?
No.
I'm telling you, you're not supporters.
I told you earlier on. I'm still gonna tell you going forward. All we want is positive results. We don't want good football. History remembers results, positive ones, not good football. As long as you are winning, we are happy. Or can't you remember?
Yeah, we are happy.
That's what we want now. And what I like Tibos about our coach, he has instilled this positive mind from our players. The Sundowns, I know, the Rulon Sundowns, I know. If team score first, we're not going to play draw because we haven't overcome and win the game. But now we can equalize and eventually win the game. Yeah. No,
It's uncoming with them.
No, siya understand ukuthi angakhala.
Last point.
Bheka mfethu, ngizokutshela ivara from ne. Aba enjoy while it lasts. Ne? Enjoy it while it lasts. There's that time that is coming. And when it rains, it's going to be pouring mchana.
Sundowns.
Kuzobe kupakishwa amabheki kuyophuma nale kuyophuma ikhonkwane lezi ibethelwe lapha. I'm telling you, they are playing nonsense football and they must understand ukuthi bheka you can win in nonsense.
We are playing nonsense because we are winning.
It's nonsense football.
So are you happy with the style of play?
No, they're not happy.
Remember, Steve, let me say yes. Let me yes. Because he's a new coach. I used to cry out loud because of learning football. Yes, we were playing nice football, but at the end of the day, we were not winning any trophy. We played CAF quarterfinal 7 years in a row, but without going to the finals. With this coach, I can assure you, we're gonna put the second step before this the witches.
Man of the match.
They must continue
Man of the match for my side. Man of the match was Salas, and I would like to apologize on Sundowns behalf of Sundowns supporters because we criticizing. Yeah, say it was scam.
Brother,
expensive
that
for
is
number.
a real scam.
Expensive
liability.
I saw potential there.
Potential ka 60 million.
Yeah, well, no.
Ska
That guy is
60 meter.
Yes.
Ka potentially. Oh no. Oh, no.
Okay, work us on as fast.
Sheba. Saile is better than Sales.
I disagree, my brother.
Better.